Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can update your Alibaba app. So it is a very easy and simple process. So let's dive right into it. The first thing that you have to do is open your app store. After opening your app store, now what you're going to do is tap on the search button right here. And after tapping on it, now tap on the search bar and start typing Alibaba. And now tap on the search button on your keyboard. And now here you can see the Alibaba app right here. Tap on it. And now you can see the option of update right here. Simply just tap on this update button in order to update your app. So remember, if your app is up to date, there will not be a update button. There will simply be a open button. So now here you can see my app needs to be updated. So there is the option of update. Tap on it in order to update Alibaba. You can see now the update process has begun. It will take some time in order to update your app. And just like this, you can see your update process has been successful. And now there is the option of open right here. So if you want to open your app right now, simply just tap on the open button. And like this, you can update your Alibaba app. Very easy and simple, right? I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.